Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Point. So let's see this small concept, and this is a very simple concept but really very useful. So here what we are going to do is we have taken many OR operators and we have put non-zero values. Okay, so it can be a negative value or a character or a float or integer or any number, but it is a non-zero value. So so what would be the output of it? Okay, so let's see what should be the output of it. So we have taken two if else. There are two separate if else. So what we have done is we have taken non-zero values in here, all the non-zero values. Okay, so 1 minus 5 10, a character value and a float value. So what should be the output of it and what should be printed in here? Okay, so this is really very simple, but there is one thing that we need to make sure that if the resultant of this whole value is a non-zero value, okay, if the resultant of the whole this is a non-zero value, then then this will be considered as a true. Okay, so if this condition is true, or if this condition is a resultant, if this condition's resultant value is a non-zero value, then this considered be to be a true value. Okay, and that's why this high will be printed in here. And in this case we have taken a 0, a float 0 and a null. So in this case the resultant will be a 0 value. Okay, so this is the false, this will be considered as a false. Okay, so if there if the resultant of this whole condition is a non-zero value, then it will return true, and if the resultant of this condition is a false or 0, then it will return a false in here. And that's why in this case high should be printed, and in this case by should be printed. Okay, so the basic thing is, if the condition a resultant is a non-zero value, doesn't matter it is float or it is a negative value, but if it is a non-zero value only, then it will consider it to be a true, else it will be considered as a false. So let's see what is the output of it. I think the output should be high and by. Let's see. So this is code.c and this is compile and this is the output. Yes, this is high and by, so this is the output of it. So you can try this code by your own. Thank you so much.